Greetings, Colin Whitebread. I'm a painter on the UXbridge Studio Tour 2020. I'm also on the executive, which is helping to organize it this year. And this year, because of COVID, we have a very different circumstances. Being an artist, I love to create. That's my joy. But I also love to talk to people and to show my work to people. I love it when people come into the studio, ask questions, walk around, are motivated by what they see. Quite often I'm motivated and I'm happy when people say, oh, you've given me a little bit of joy, I want to go home and create myself. But this year, for a while there, we didn't think we were going to have that opportunity. We thought because of COVID, we would be just showing you art virtually. However, when the province went to stage 3, we now have an opportunity to invite you into our studios, to our grounds, in different combinations. At option 1, virtual only, in which case you'll be looking at an intimate look, a short video of one of your artists or all the artists, depending which one you want to look at. But some artists will not be opening their studio, will not be opening their home. Option 2, you may come to your favorite artist's studio outside. For example, right here I have lots of space outside. I'm going to have a couple of guests, Gordon Reed, a sculptor, and Kirsty Nare, fiber artist, sculptor artist. And some of my work will be out here, but also for me, some of my work will be out here. So if you would decide to come outside, you have to make an appointment. So all our artists, you have to make an appointment this year. And you will be encouraged to stay physically distanced, but you can walk around, look at the art, and talk to the artists. The third option, some artists are inviting you inside their home, inside their studio. In which case, again, you have to make an appointment, a reservation, and you mask, you must wear a mask, and sanitize and physical distancing. And you know, that's a great opportunity. Most times we don't get a lot of chance to talk to the artists because there's, bigger crowds. This year, because of the appointment, you'll get time in the studio just with your artist to ask lots of questions, look around, take your time, and not feel hurried. And the last option is a combination of both, which is actually what I am doing. I'm having the outside physical tour, but also I'm inviting guests by appointment into my studio.